going on YouTube? I know I hadn't done a video in a while. Got a little project going on. I'm building my shop, or starting on my shop, and I need a way to get my poles in the ground stood up and to get my trusses up. So I'm building a boom pole to fit a skid steer that I'm going to rent and do my dirt work with. And I'm going to build a boom pole out of 6-inch square tubing. It's going to be 20 foot long to be able to set my poles and my trusses, so that I don't have to rent a boom pole truck for a one-time use deal. And I'll have a boom pole. It'll cost me about $600 in materials to build this, but it's something I'll have for years to come if I ever need to set another pole, a tall pole or trusses on anything, or anything I need to use it for like that, or lift something really high. Something I'll have. Gives me a chance to do another project and whatnot as well. So I hope you all enjoy the build, and here we go.
Alright YouTube, here's what we got. We got a piece of 6-inch quarter wall square tubing. I'm going to cut an angle on this. I'm going to try 15 degrees. I don't know what the best angle would be, but I want it angled up just a little bit. It's going to weld. This is on a skid steer plate here. This is one of the skid steer plates that you can buy. It's a 5/16 thick. So that's going to weld there. And then I have this 3/8 flat bar here that I'm going to use for gussets. And I've got a piece of 4-inch up here that I'm going to use for bracing. Got a 300D Miller over here we're going to be welding with. And I don't have a torch here, so I'm going to be using a DeWalt skill saw with this Oshlon 7.5-inch metal cutting blade. And you can see it's recommended for portable or cordless portable saws. I've used one of these before. This is the wood blade. You can tell the 7.5 is just a hair bigger, but it'll work. I've used one of these before, and you just about need a space suit to use one of them or something. It's holding so much metal. So I will have on a long sleeve shirt and a face shield and safety glasses and everything. But the last one I used worked quite well, unless you bind it up and break the teeth off. But that's what we're going to be using. So we're going to get started. Alright YouTube, I'll mark this tubing out here at a 15-degree angle. So the skid steer plate will be like this, and the tube will be pointed up on it. I couldn't find my face shield, but I found my sandblasting hood. So I'm going to use it with these safety glasses. Alright, and that is 6-inch square tubing with a regular circular saw. So if you want to play a joke on your buddies, get you one of these blades and put it on your skill saw and tell them, watch this. need to angle my saw. We're on 15 degrees there. Boy, it's hot out here. Alright, YouTube. That is not bad at all. And still cool to the touch. It's a little warm, but it's not bad. It's like, you know, warm like it's been out in the sun. Much better than you can do with a torch. And the skid steer plate. It's going to go up here something like that right there. And with some guts and stuff.